For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
कि भाई इन लोगों को अपने राज्य के जितने लोग
Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, who has been facing flack for not stepping out of his house during the COVID-19 pandemic, finally thought it's best to step out.
अलग रखा जाए।
On Tuesday, he came out of his house and reached the official secretariat Samwad, which is at stone's throw distance from his residence. This was the first time the Chief Minister stepped out of his house in nearly 3 months. The Janata Dal United President hit out at the leader of opposition in Bihar Assembly, Tejasvi Yadav.
चर्चा करिएगा, बहुत तरह के लोग बहुत तरह की बात करते रहता है, कुछ से कुछ बयान देता रहता है। रोज लोगों की आदत है बयानबाजी करने की। हम लोग बयान देते हैं, हमको कहता है कि बाहर नहीं निकले। अरे क्या है, लॉकडाउन लागू है और जब पूरे देश में कहा जा रहा है नहीं निकलना।
Nitish Kumar also claimed that he has been taking care of the state by working from his residence.
काम हम लोग कर रहे थे, प्रतिदिन एक एक चीज की समीक्षा, पूरे बिहार के लोगों से संपर्क और सारा काम कर रहे। खुद कहां रहता है भाग करके, इसका कोई ठिकाना नहीं है। पार्टी के लोगों को भी पता नहीं है, हम ही लोगों पर बोलता है। क्या क्या बोलता रहता है अखबार में बयान देके, भला बताइए। जब एक बार लागू कर दिया गया लॉकडाउन तो घर से बाहर निकलेंगे।
The Bihar Chief Minister said he was taking stock of the situation in the entire state.
लोग जितने लोग बाहर से आए हैं पीड़ित हैं, चंद लोगों को छोड़ करके। कुछ लोगों का दिमाग तो होता है ऐसा, जितने प्रकार का विवाद करने की कोशिश जगह जगह पर हुआ है, एक एक के बारे में रिपोर्ट हमने ली है।
Nitish Kumar's response came after RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav hit out at him in tweets.
Respected Chief Minister, you have not stepped out of your residence in the past 84 days during the crisis to review the healthcare system, to know the condition of the poor and laborers, or to motivate the people of the state. You are the only Chief Minister of the country to do so. If there is any fear, I will walk along with you. But please, at least come out now. Citizens are saying that the Chief Minister of Bihar is scared. You misuse government machinery and resources and spend hours every day on video conference with your leaders. But you have not interacted with the general public. Everyone knows the bad state of your quarantine centers. Wake up, now at least.
Bihar goes to polls later this year, and many leaders in the JDU have a feeling that Nitish Kumar's image has taken a beating as chief ministers of other states like Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and neighbouring Jharkhand led from the front during this pandemic. This probably forced the Bihar chief minister to make an appearance.